What up, my A1 subbies? It's your girl, Miss Rachel here. So ladies, Happy New Year! I cannot believe it is 2020. But anywho, let's get right into this video. I know what you came for. Stay tuned. For this tutorial, you'll need an applicator bottle, your favorite shampoo, and apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar will serve as your natural scrubbing agent. Okay, to get started, add a little bit of the apple cider vinegar to your applicator bottle, as well as your usual amount of pumps of shampoo that you would use for a wash day. You want to add that to the bottle as well. Swish, 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 don't shake. Swish, don't shake. You don't want to do this because you don't want to collect too much bubbles. Then you want to add the rest with water. See, that's why we didn't shake it. Applicator top on, shake it a little bit, and turn to your right. You will see the shower where we will do the rest of this video. So as you can see, I have a lot of product buildup on my hair. My scalp is a little bit itchy, and I experience that when I'm at the gym and my sweat starts going and I'm like, oh my sauce, my hair is itching. So the apple cider vinegar is really going to help us scrub our hair. So please, 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 please do not scrub your scalp when there's braids in it. It will break your hair. I've done it before, and it has taken years for that damage to grow back. So what you want to do is you just want to pour some of the mixture into your parts, and make sure that you're emphasizing the back, all of those parts that are itchy, and also trying to get to where the synthetic hair and your hair meets. So empty the entire bottle on your head, making sure that you're catering to the parts of your hair that itch the most. FYI, you can always add as much apple cider vinegar and water and shampoo as you wish. This is the amount that I wanted to use because I didn't want to dry my hair out too much, since I won't have that much access to moisturize it since it's in braids. But I do also recommend, if you really feel like your hair has been itchy and it's just time to get a good cleanse and a nice rinse, add a little bit more apple cider vinegar. But you want to empty the entire mixture on your head. Once you're all done saturating your hair with the mixture, you want to lightly rub your parts from the top of your head to the bottom. Take your time, do not scrub at all. Be very conscious of the strands and the different directions that your hair is going in. Because trust me, box braids don't come out from the top, they come out from the very bottom. And if you're pulling too much at the top, it's gonna make matters worse as far as breakage. So ladies, as you can see right now, I'm just looking in these parts to see how much the apple cider vinegar mixture is dissolving the products that were previously put in my hair. So when it comes to box braids, it's not so much that your hair is dirty while it's itching. It's primarily the dryness, the products, and also just the fact that your hair has not been moist for a while. What I like to do with my hair is I like to let the apple cider vinegar sit for a while. As you can see, the gel that I put on my edges previously is literally dissolving right before your eyes. Leave this product in your hair for about 10 minutes before rinsing. So you can start washing your body, shaving your legs, doing your face, whatever. So when you wait it for as much time as you can, just go ahead and rinse, and make sure that you're using your fingers to rub down your scalp just like I did in the beginning. This is going to make sure that all of the dirt is coming out that has been dissolved by the apple cider vinegar. So my hair is all done. It's about 60% dry, and what I like to do is get my favorite cream and whip it up in my hair. This is the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout cream, and I only add it where my hair starts and ends. So I'm not putting products on just the synthetic hair. It's just my hair that's in the braids and also in the roots. I like to do creams instead of oils because oils tend to make my hair get itchy and dirty faster. So excuse my tired face as I use my fingertips to rub through the roots of my hair, but it is about 2 a.m. in the morning right now. Don't ask me why I'm up this late, okay? I just had one of those days. So I'm just gonna add to my roots, and then just kind of make sure that all those areas that were or could have been dried out by the shampoo gets a little bit of hydration. Before I finish moisturizing, I'm just going to add a little bit more product to the very top of my hair. Any area that's going to be out and exposed more, I like to add a little bit more care. So this is my edge control. I believe it is Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control Extra Hold. I'm going to put that on my hair, take my edge brush, and just not really do anything fancy with my edges, but just pull them back into the braids. Thank you, Lord. I'm all done. The feeling is exhilarating. So put your scarf on your head, tie it real good, and do your scarf dance because you're done. Yes! So it's morning, and let me show you how these braids look the next day. Boom! Frizz free. Yes. No dirt, no itch, no tension. Braids intact. As you can see, the gel is gone. Yes. So ladies, go home if you got them box braids because you know it's box braid season. Get you an applicator bottle, your favorite shampoo, and some apple cider vinegar, and try this if you've been struggling with some itchy roots, because let's keep it real, that's the only downside of box braids. So ladies, I hope you love this tutorial. Please subscribe if you have not already. It's struggling. Like, it's hard out here for some small YouTubers, okay? So if you're watching these videos, you like it, you believe in black naturalistas and natural hair and all things great, then subscribe to this channel. God bless you and your goals for this new 2020 year. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye.